Papercraft Essentials is the latest issue, and it is number 188, and it is just full of wonderfulness. Let me show you what's going on. Well, first of all, there's the magazine, but as all of you know, there are goodies included, and let me show you, because this is very different. It's called Gorgeous Gardens, and this is a shadow box card kit, 234 elements, and let me break that down for you. You are going to get 3 styles of these shadow box cards. Now just look at this so you can see there is a frame, there is a background, and then there are layers that come forward and die cuts to embellish those different layers. Okay, so the base is this. So this is the back of the card. This is the frame that creates the front of the card. You're going to get 2 of this style. So friends are the flowers in the garden of life, more gardening. This is another, you're going to get 2 of these also. And then you're going to get 2 of these with that greenhouse. So very much a gardening theme going on. Now, in addition, you are going to get 2 sheets each that I'm going to show you. And these are the die cuts. So these are the layers that go in front of each other inside the card. Then you've got lots of embellishments to decorate them. So you get 2 of these, 2 of these. Hope this looks familiar to you, because it certainly does for me. We've got a swing in our yard. We've got a glider. We are certainly spending time outdoors. And here is another one for gardening. You might want to use that with that greenhouse. Then you're also going to get 100 of these square foam squares or foam tabs. So all of that, everything is included and everything coordinates. And the instructions are going to be inside the magazine. But let me show you what else is in here. So there were some things that caught my eye. Now I highlighted this because we all have floral stamps, and I thought these were some really fun ideas about doing circles and frames of flowers, doing repeated stamping, and I thought it was worth noting. You can see there's some more right there. Lavinia, of course, we carry their products, so it's nice to see them. And here we go. This is called Marvelous Metallics, and they are showing you a way to do it. Now, we also have a metallic gold specialty paper and a silver specialty paper that will give you the same look. And here is step by step with how they are showing you some different methods of creating that design. This is on heat embossed layering stamps, and layering stamps are quite wonderful. We have many of them, and we will be getting more from Alton New, and which is a British company. No, it isn't. It's a U.S. company. Here we go. Now, this is the cutout and keep. So this is dedicated, this section is dedicated to all of these cards. So let me show you how you can do it. So you get a really nice close photograph there, and you can see the different layers. And here we have of each of them. Now, it might be happy retirement, might be get well soon, it might be happy anniversary. Just lots of ideas. If friends were flowers, I'd pick you. So this really gives a beautiful card, and the cards also fold flat so that when you mail them, they will just pop up. So very fun. And you can do different kinds. This happens to be an easel card, so you can use these, or you can use them in a flat card. You don't have to use them in a shadow box like that was. So there you go. Just lots of ideas for using them, and I think that's just great. And here we go. This is an article about one of the members of the design team from Practical Publishing, so I thought that was fun to see. This is a segment on rounded rocker cards. Really a fun look, very easy to do, especially if you have our 12 circles and scalloped cutting dies. So giving you some ideas of how to create that. I thought it was fun to see those kind of poking out the side. And there are more right there. So lots of ideas, and skill building is what they're calling that. This is another one, Rainbow Bright. So they're giving you some ways to duplicate that rainbow look in very bright colors. So that's very fun to see. And I have this with, again, flower stamps. We all have them. So some different ways that you can really incorporate them and get some looks that you may not have thought about. And here is another section on using some corner cutting dies. I thought that was just really, really nice. So many things. A very fun Gorgeous Gardens Shadow Box card kit, all complete, all together, and all yours. I'm delighted to tell you that these are in stock, and they are exclusively here at paperwishes.com.